Alright, on to question 2. So we're going to tell whether each restaurant is making a profit or losing money. If they have to pay the amount you predicted in an ongoing expense per month. Make sure that you organize your thinking so it can be followed by others. Alright, so restaurant A sells 6,000 meals in 1 month at an average price of $17 per meal and an average cost of $4.60 per meal. I'm going to do this first one for you, and then you can do B and C on your own. So each meal costs $4.60. So if they cost $4.60, what we want to do is we want to take 4.6 and multiply that by 6,000. That tells us the cost of the meals. So the cost of the meals equals $27,600. Now, we're going to sell those for $17, right? So we're going to take $17 and times that by 6,000, which gives us the sale total, which equals $102,000. Now, to tell me what the profit equals, we're going to take $102,000 and we're going to subtract $27,600 from that cost, which tells me that we are making an amount of $74,400. So in this case, this restaurant they're making pretty good money. I don't know. We'll see what the cost of everything else would be, right? So go ahead and do that for B and C.